Hey, how are you guys doing? So today I filmed my cat eye makeup tutorial for you guys. This has been my go-to lately, especially for taking Instagram pictures, and I just think it looks so freaking good. So if you guys wanted to know how I did this very simple, very neutral, very wearable cat eye look, continue watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start right off with this eyeshadows. So for today's look we are going to be using this really small pack cosmetic palette. It's called Last Wish and it has some gorgeous neutral shades in here. So I'm just gonna take my fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. I'm gonna dip this in and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids, also in my crease. So I'm just gonna kind of like lay down the base color. That makes sense, right? I'm just gonna apply this color everywhere on my eyes because I just love like a darker eyeshadow look. And if that makes sense, I mean that because we are going to be creating this cat eye shape, I'm gonna drag it out pretty far and kind of like drag it up to my temples like that, like make it a V shape almost. And I also kind of will go past where my eyebrows ends, like I go past there. And I really love using this eyeshadow palette because it has so many just like neutral colors in there. So you can go really neutral with this palette, or you can make it like really dramatic, smoky, just whatever you like, right? Now that the first eyeshadow color is on, I'm going to use a smaller blending brush now. This is kind of a comparison. The big one is the one that we just used, and now I'm going to use the smaller one. And I'm going to pick up this color from the same palette. Take a little bit of this in the smaller blending brush and I'm going to focus this color right into the crease. I'm going to blend this up to my lids and out my crease. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the other color as well. I'm gonna blend this out kind of like in a V shape and bring it to my eyebrows. Again, make sure you blend it out so there is no harsh lines between two shades. And this is gonna create that really pretty cat eye look. Now for my favorite part of this eyeshadow, I'm gonna create a wing and I'm gonna be using eyeshadows, no eyeliners today. I'm gonna use these two dark shades right here and I'm gonna take a wing liner brush which looks like this, and I'm basically just gonna apply eyeliner but with eyeshadows. I am really bad at explaining, but you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm starting here at the root of my eyelashes and just stamp shadows on those below or above my lashes basically, and darken it up a little bit and take some more, make it nice and dark, and then take the brush and wing it up as you would with eyeliner. But this is like 10 times easier because you just have so much more control because you're working with eyeshadows. And I'm also gonna take a little bit more eyeshadow and I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line, but only on the outer parts of my lower lash line, and I'm gonna connect it with the wing that we just made like that. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm just gonna blend this color out. So for this part I'm gonna be whipping out my gel liner, and this is the Maybelline one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend my inner corner a little bit and I'm gonna draw really tiny V in my inner corner and make it look like cat eyes. I'm gonna apply some fake eyelashes. I like to be honest, I always use different eyelashes for this look. I don't have like a specific style that I wear with this look, but I'll make sure to like link this wispies lashes in my description, and these are from Amazon, so very cheap too. I'm just gonna apply some mascara real quick and I'm just gonna coat my bottom lashes, but mainly focus it on the outer parts of my lashes. And then another thing that is crucial for cat eye look in my opinion is like black eyeliner or like brown eyeliner into your waterline. So I'm just gonna use this Maybelline one again. I'm so obsessed with this makeup look. I don't know what it is, but I just think it looks so freaking good. Like I don't know, this are just like best. This just makes my eye look so good in pictures and when you want to look like intense. And I'm just gonna take some Instagram pictures right now and make some reels because now my face is looking like this and I'm feeling it. So now we gotta take some pictures and I will see you guys back in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.